Good day, Katik. I have here Vivo Y18 and the problem is Google account or FRP. Here is I'm gonna show you how to bypass this step by step. No PC. So just hold volume up, volume down, long press and then tap turn on and then hold it again. Volume up, volume down, just hold. And then when the talkback is on, we try to draw an inverted letter L, but voice commands are not available during setup. So let's go to, so make sure that talkback is enabled. So just follow me, just double tap in order to proceed. So in the Wi-Fi portion, tap and add network, and then here is the globe icon in the keyboard. So this globe icon, tap. So next, double tap anywhere and then follow the highlight, just tap what number is highlighted. So in the keyboard, globe icon will not show if talkback is not enabled, so it should be enabled talkback. So just tap the number highlighted again. So when this comes out, so use 3 fingers, then slide, tap settings, and then we're gonna disable the talkback, long press volume up, volume down, and then back, and then choose braille display, go to talkback, and then accessibility menu, just turn on the accessibility menu, allow, got it. And now tap the assistant and say open settings. So settings is not open, so we're gonna try open settings. Try again open settings, say open settings, but it's not working. So what we do is we're gonna try open browser. Now Vivo browser is open. So here in the address bar, you're gonna type this in address bar. So use open browser instead of open settings, because open settings is not working, so we're gonna use open browser. So now Vivo browser is open, and type the address bar, and here tap setting, open setting, allow. So open setting is not working in the address bar in the browser. We're gonna tap open setting is not working, so we're gonna find another solution because it is Android version 14, Android version 14. So go to downloads, go to downloads. No, just then tap settings. So still settings is not working, so just see what's the step we're gonna use. So tap again the assistant and say open easy share. Now easy share is open, so agree, just say open easy share in the Google Assistant. So choose new device and then Android, got it. You need to tap got it while using the app and then allow. So here we're gonna use another Android phone. Go to in the Google Play Store and search. You need to search the Activity Launcher, install. So install the Activity Launcher. Here is the icon, Activity Launcher. So after install, you need to search again the Easy Share app. So Easy Share app. So here is the icon, install and then open. Use all device and then scan, just scan. So after scan, you need to wait for a while in order the phone to connect each other. Now after connecting, you need to uncheck all this app, uncheck, and then tap apps, and then select the Activity Launcher you downloaded in the Google Play Store, and then next just enter your PIN code and then okay, start cloning. So done. So tap this and then apps and then open. Okay, I hope you follow the step by step. So if you are here now, congratulations to you, Katiktik, and don't forget to like my video if this video will helps you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So tap Android setup and then find no icon here, deferred trampoline activity. So tap this, no setting icon. So start, skip, and just wait. So tap next, don't next, no cable, and then copy without cable. Next, and use my Google account instead. So next. So after this, go to again the Google Play Store and the other Android phone and search Google. And then here is the icon, letter G, Google, and then open. And then tap the search and then tap set up my device. Just type set up my device and then go to search and then next, connecting, and then next. Just tap next. So maybe my Wi-Fi is maybe this is the Wi-Fi problem, slow internet. So just repeat Katiktik, gonna back. Maybe my phone or sang or slow internet. This is the cause of slow internet. Or maybe my phone is hung, so just hang. But don't worry, we're gonna repeat the process. So quit. So we're gonna start here. So try again. Just stop the device. We're gonna click again. So now next. So copy and then tap again the pin code or screen lock. This is the screen lock of older phone. So now copying your account. We're gonna wait for a while. So continue set up on your device B23. So tap down copy. Next. And then accept, skip. So skip. No thanks. Now it's normal. We're gonna set up again, start. Next, this is normal happen how to set up or bypass the Y18 printing. So just skip, continue, and skip. So just set up until we gonna go into the home screen. So I hope Katiktik this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. You can leave any comments below. So I'm gonna show you again the model number of this Vivo Y18. Gonna go to settings after the home screen is loading. So Again, we're gonna remove the accessibility menu here, accessibility settings, and then turn off. And then gonna show you the model number, and this is PanTouch. Yan, Vivo 18. Ayan, PanTouch 14, Android 14, Vivo Y18. So thank you for watching, Katiktik.